Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly AI to improve your writing skills. To use Grammarly AI to improve your writing skills, follow these steps. Number one is that you will just install Grammarly, download the Grammarly browser extension or desktop app, or use the web editor. And after you will just set up an account, sign up for free or premium account for full access to features. And the next you will just write type your text paste into the Grammarly editor, and you will just also upload a file like PDF or another format. But right now I will just tab on this new, and I will just paste it some wrong letter. And let's see, Grammarly will automatically highlights errors including grammar, spellings, and punctuations and style. And I will just pasted a wrong letter. And if I just right side, you will see the review suggestions. So in this there are many correctness to correct. And if I just tab on this write with generative AI, and here you will see here are some if I just tab on correct, and let's see. So here are some mistakes in incorrect, which is boss, can't, don't, won't, and I'll. And I want to Grammarly can automatically highlights error and including grammar spellings. And I want to Grammarly will correct this correction in phrases. So I will just tab on this write with generative AI. I will just tab on it, and here what do you want to do? Here are some ideas: improve it, identify any gaps, and more ideas. So I won't just want to improve it this letter which is wrong in some phrases and words. So I will just tap on it simply, and let's see. So okay, I will just show you that it will write improvement on this uh, letter. So in this letter is wrong, which is this: I can't come tomorrow. And after correctness you will see, I will not be able to come tomorrow. You will see. So in this way you can just use Grammarly to your improve your writing skills. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.